How's everybody doing? So right, today, adrenaline's pumping. I'm going on the go-karts at Skegness. So I've got Harry here. So you're one of the owners, aren't you?
Yes, it's my dad's. We've had it 13 years this year.
13 years, and it's always busy, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
It is. It's picking up definitely now. It's the summertime, yeah.
So if I get Harry on, we're going to tell you how much it is to go on, how long you get, age limit. So first of all, how much is it to go on it?
It's £10 if you're going on your own in a single car, and then £15 if you're going on in a twin car. But that's for an adult and a small child.
Yeah. Also, what's the age limits?
There's no age limit. It's all on height. So we've got a height board if you come down here, just in front of the cash box that you can see in the background there.
Yeah.
It's 1.4 metres. So if you're over 1.4 metres, you can go on your own. If you're under that, you can go on with an adult over 16, and they've got to be over 1.5 to drive that.
That's good.
As well.
Yeah, that's really good.
You get a 5-minute race out there on the tracks. It depends how quick you go. You get about 10 laps, but that's obviously if you go a bit slower. You've got to fit as many as you can in them 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's really cheap though, that is.
It's fun, as we say.
Yeah, it is, and it is fun. Yeah. Everybody on here are all smiling and enjoying it, aren't they? They really are. So it's a really good track. And it's
300 metres long.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And you even go over a bridge and under a bridge as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the GoPro on. We're going to get the drone followings as well. Harry's going to do a little bit of filming for me, aren't you?
Try my best.
Might give him a job. Yeah, so he's going to go around filming. We're going to show you what it's actually like on the track itself for you guys to come and try it out in Skegness, and it's a glorious day.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, glorious day.
Got a nice day.
Come on then, Harry. Let's go. Let's go and try these karts out. So before we actually go on the track, these two guys have just been out there, haven't you? Yeah, so did you enjoy going round? So did you go on with your dad? Yeah? Yeah, and was you going fast?
Well, what are my
You both got blue lips. Is it cold out there?
Luscious, didn't you?
So what do you recommend? So is it a big thumbs up for everybody to go around the track, yeah? Definitely. All the families, yeah? And Dad loves it as well. Are you going on your own, Dad?
Yeah, definitely.
He's going on his own. Right. Give everybody a thumbs up. Tell them to subscribe to NeilR's Greatest Adventures. So subscribe.
Subscribe.
Thank you. Nice meeting you guys. What's your names, by the way?
Archie and Ali.
Archie and Ali.
Ali, yeah.
Ali. There you go then, guys. You're famous now. Look, give them all away.
Bye.
There you go. So also, these guys have just come off as well. So they've actually got photos as well. They've actually got photos of me on here. So I've actually been on the track to test my cameras out first. But yeah, they've got photos of me on there, and they're going to subscribe to my channel. And what did you reckon to the karting?
It was brilliant.
Yeah, brilliant. Recommend it, yeah?
Yeah.
Big thumbs up.
Guys.
There you go then. What's your names, by the way? Brick. Brendan. Brandon. Linda.
Sean.
Nice meeting you guys. Have a great time in Skegness.
Thank you. Bye.
Cheers, thank you.
So as Harry was saying as well, here's the height restrictions. So yeah, look, 1 metre. Nothing, is it? Right, we come and pay here. Who we got in here then?
I've got Jack.
Jack's in here. So Jack's taking all the money and looking after you guys. So we've got a good season this year up to now, haven't we?
It's not been too bad.
Yeah.
It's been steady. Good
stuff. It's always busy. I'm going to get Jack on camera in a little while. But right, I'm going to show you where you go after you're paid. So as you see, the carts are actually going out at the moment. It's a little bit loud. So much good fun though. All the guys are waiting. There's loads of carts. They get you in and out so fast as well. This is so much good fun. Guys, we've even got 2-seater carts. So you can have the carts and have the children sat at your side of you, as you can see. So yeah, the grown-ups can take the children round. So guys, we're on the track, we're going around with a few people. Hope you can hear me all right. But we've also got somebody filming around the track as well. So we've got both the brothers here. What an amazing day I've here. So we've got Jack and Harry. I always get the names wrong. But yeah, you're going to do a little bit of a special offer as well, are you? For them, you
Yes,
said earlier.
We'll have 2 single tokens and a photo available down here, so for someone to come collect.
Yeah. So you've got to mention NeilR's Greatest Adventures. Show these guys as well that you actually subscribe to the channel. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the deal. You don't just come and get free go. First come, first serve as well on that. So get yourselves here. It might have gone. So there's only one chance to get it. Yeah.
One chance.
But anyway, you've got to come and have a go because I've had right good fun today. Look at me, an old man.
Knackered.
Thank you guys for inviting me.
worries,
And I
mate,
really
anytime.
appreciate it. I've had a real good time. You're a pair of good lads as well. These guys will look after you. I can't believe as well, I just like to say how professionally it all is ran. So these guys know what they're doing. You've been doing it for years and they really do look after you when you're here. And if you are a bit worried and you might be struggling, just tell them and they will help you out, won't you? Yeah, they will help you out. Good stuff.
Thank you.
We're
Thank you
just
very
going to show you where you actually have your photos done, where you pick your photos up, and the little arcade and everything what you got. And then I'm going to put the drone up, I'm going to show you from above them racing round.
Cheers, guys. Thank you very much.
Wow, that was amazing. Those guys in there, brilliant. They will look after you. So when you come back into the arcade bit, when you just come off the track, this is actually where you pick all your photos up. So they've actually got the prices on here as well. But I will put a link in the description as well, all about the karting, and so you can have a quick look. You can even give them a phone call if you need to as well. But like I say, they've got all the pictures all on the wall, on the tellies. You can see yourself racing round. Really good to take home. Really good. And also in here as well, so if you're not on the karting and you're waiting for your son, your daughter, you can actually come in here and go in the arcade. There's lots of grabbing machines and all sorts to do. And a bit of the air hockey. Then, if you're a spectator, you can actually come outside here. So you can actually see all the track from here. So you can see your family, your friends flying around there, having a really good time.
Mario Kart Arcade Grand Prix.
Hey, I really love that. That was real good fun. I know I'm getting old, but I'm not too old for that. And I give them a good going, didn't I, eh? Racing around with those guys. I wanted to do a little bit more, but I was filming at the time. But I love going the go-karting, and I bet you lot out there as well love it as well. And if you've never been to Skegness and you're looking for things to do, you're coming on holiday this year, this is one of the places to actually come, yeah? So upstairs as well, we've got the Learner Driving School. I actually did a video on the Learner Driving School. That's for the little ones. Really good. Just check that video out and you'll see what we actually get up to up there. Yeah, it's really, really good up there. But the karting, amazing. Really look after you. You know, I do recommend it. Right, thanks for tuning in. Hope you're enjoying all my videos I'm doing at the moment in Skegness. If there's anything out there that you'd like me to do, I'll look into it as well. But before I go, please don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I need more subscribers. Hit the notification bell and don't forget to give me a thumbs up as well. And it's all free. Yeah, you ain't got to pay a penny. But you can join my club as well, because I do have a little club going as well on YouTube, and that allows you to watch the videos before anybody else and a few more of the information I do. Right, we'll see you all soon, and we will see you in the next one.
NeilR, a traveller bold and free, from the heart of Northumberland to the sea, exploring Skegness, the seaside breeze, from Lincolnshire's towns to the